Hello you guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem of your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth automatically turning on without you pressing any buttons. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first way is that you need to scroll down to your notification center and turn off your cellular data as well as your Wi-Fi as well as your Bluetooth. This will automatically solve your problem, and this may be the reason why most of your problem is occurring. But if your problem doesn't end by closing off these buttons, then what I want you to do is go to your settings. Then I want you to click on general, then on software update, and see if you have any software updates. And if you do have any updates, then update your iPhone. So the third and last method that I want you to teach is go back to general, then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset your iPhone, then click on reset and reset all settings. This will ensure lastly that you're automatically turning on off your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth doesn't persist. So these are the 3 steps which you can do to ensure that this does not happen, and this will fix your problem. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it on the drop box below and ask us for more. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off. See you in the next one.